Hey guys, Rich here once again at RCINFORMER. Got Steve on the camera, and today we have a runway demo, as you can see here, of the E-flite Twin Otter. We've done many videos of this. I have a complete unbox, assembly, and setup of this thing on the RCINFORMER YouTube channel. Just take a look at the upper right-hand corner of this screen. Just click on that information card, drop it down. It'll give you just a menu, a drop-down menu. You guys can do it now. It'll give you a drop-down menu of those other videos. We have, I at least think, 2 flight demos, one where Amy was filming, 2 float demos, I should say. We had this out on a couple of different lakes, and then we flew it out on the grass for you guys. So if you guys want to really see this in action, you know, in different surfaces, check out the videos on our channel. So we already pre-flighted this. We've already done it a bunch of times in the other videos, so we are pretty much ready to go. I just had it on float, so I pulled the floats off. There's about 6, 7, there's 8 screws to remove to take the floats off and put the wheels back on this. So this is the first time we've had it back on the wheels since having it on the water. So you ready, Steve? Quick flight control check. Steve, you want to hit that mic, get that thing rolling. We got right, left, up, down. We'll drop a little flap, see how it's working. Let me run up the motor here. Motors. Love twin engine airplanes, so we'll taxi on out here. All right, guys, also be sure to check us out on Instagram and Twitter. We just started a cool Twitter, or actually mostly Instagram, but Instagram and Twitter. We're posting stuff daily on Instagram, so lots of pictures of stuff we're doing here. You guys can see pretty much every day. So, and then please, folks, like and subscribe. If you guys subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell, you guys will get the newest videos alerted as soon as we do put them out. So this is my first time, Steve, with this thing on pavement, so I'm just kind of driving it around a little bit, just kind of see how it does. It handles well. It's not bad. It drives nice. I think we're ready to go. Here, let's go 0 flaps on the takeoff. Here we go. Let's get it rolling close to center line here as we can. Taking off. No flaps, right up there. I'm only at half throttle, Steve. Look, I mean, that's all. I haven't gone past half yet. Here, let's pick it up a little bit. Here, let's come by fast here. Wow, that zips right along. Let's turn it around and bring it back. Full flaps are in now. Let's see if we can get it slow. We did this on the water, guys, with the floats. We flew it nice and slow in a confined area, so be sure to check that video out. It'll fly nice and slow with these flaps down. I mean, it's really pretty impressive. It's great on the water. I love this thing as a float plane. I love twin engine models, and having a twin engine that you can have on floats as well is pretty sweet. Nice touchdown there. Let's go vertical with it, Steve. Flaps are coming up. That's just full power without a zoom climb. It's going up there. Look at that. Who says I can't do 3D? All right,
you say you can't do 3D.
Well, I can't do 3D. You're right. But that was kind of 3D. All right, let's get some steep turns going on here in the middle. Yeah, that's a nice bird, man. It flies good. Probably could use a little rudder in the turn, which I'm feeding in here. The twin engine nature of this thing, it kind of keeps it tracking along. You usually need a little rudder with it, but I'm actually just sticking it here without the rudder. Yeah, it has a nice high aspect ratio wing. It's nice and thin. Get it around here, invert it a little bit. Power's all the way in. Real nice. Woo! All right. Let's get it down low, Steve. We're going to go down here, way down here. Can you track that okay?
Yep.
It's a great feel for scenery like this because you can get it against, you know, the ground and everything. So I'm only half throttle here. Let's power it up. We'll bring it in fast over the ridge here. Yeehaw! Nice flying model. Holy smokes. I can't get over this no wind here today, Steve.
Finally,
holy
yeah.
smokes. I mean, we're usually just battling some stuff. I mean, this is AS3X, folks, so, you know, it is easier to fly because it is AS3X. But, tell you what, let's do a full power takeoff right off the runway. Full flaps. Let's do it. You ready?
Okay.
I'm going to go vertical here. I'm feeding a little bit of rudder in because it's going off to the right. One engine's probably turning more than the other. That's probably why it's going on. Let's see if we can get it down. Flaps are in. Let's see if I can drop it down here. There we go. Nice. That's full flaps, folks. You see my left engine's turning still a little bit?
Yep.
I think they're not quite synced. Here, I tell you, let me bring it back here for 1 sec, Steve. I think I'm putting out more power on one motor than the other. Here, hang on a second. Here, let me just plug this thing back in. Hang on a second. Let's unplug it. Let me just do a reboot. Booting back up. All right, let's see. Hopefully that might be a little more even. If they're a little off, you can kind of do that with it. Here, let me take off with it here. You ready?
Yep.
All right, here we go. Let me bolt in here real quick. Strap in. Oh, straight up with it. Yeah, that's actually better. See, it's really, it's still pulling a little bit, but power it off, just let it fall. Bring it in, land it here in the center. Yeah, man, this is an island hopping airplane right here. Let's bring it on back here. Nice model. See if we can get a hand launch out of it. You ready? Whoa! You ready?
Yep.
You ready to go?
Yeah.
Get a hand launcher too! Nice model. Really like the Twin Otter. Greaser! Outstanding, folks. Get back here. My bad. Oh, there's lightning out there, Steve. Holy crap. Here we go. Little low and inverted here. Full flaps, turn it around. Yeah, man, this is a true bush plane right here. Full flaps, drop that right in. All right, we doing a carrier? All right, carrier takeoff. Here we go. Right off the perpendicular. Yeah, somebody's calling me. Cancel the call. All right. Always when I'm doing something. Let's come by hot again. Half cubinate around again, full flaps in, powers to idle. Let's drop that baby right in. Ooh, a little harder than I want. Nose first. Nose first, that's not good. I'm holding it off, holding it off. I gotta redeem myself with that, Steve. Hold on. Let's go back to the end. See if I can pull that off this time. Pulling straight back around, powered idle, full flaps, roll it, power's off. Hold it off, there we go. Oh man, that was a three-pointer. Nice. Did you get the lightning in that shot?
I don't know.
That might have been cool. As soon as I rolled inverted, the lightning was there. All right, I think we should bring it in. What do you think?
I think so.
Let's bring it in. Nice model on pavement, folks. It flares. It's a very nice landing model actually on pavement. I'm really digging it. Here, let's see if I can wheelie it. Here, we'll wheelie it a bit. It'll wheelie. Okay, well let's do that. Hang on a second. Flaps are up. That might be more controllable without the flaps. Let's try that. It was wanting to fly too much. Yeah, there you go. Without flaps, you can kind of wheelie it all day long. Look at that. Yeehaw! All right, let's bring it on in. Let's take a look at the battery, see what the battery's showing. Man, I dig this plane. This is a nice model, folks. Check this out at Horizon Hobby. This is quite the bird, man. Nice twin engine. Seriously, awesome. I like this thing. All right, man. All right, safety's on. What do they say? Old guys rule or something? All right, let me put some. I just turned 50 last time we were out here. Let's see what we got here. Let's take a look at this. I am running the E-flite or the SPEKTRUM 3200. Every time I say something wrong, I think, oh man, I'm turning into. I don't want to say that. Let's not go there. I think you know what I was going to say. We'll just leave that to the imagination. All right, here we go. Let's see what we got. All right, this is the 3200 Smart. Let's see what we got. I'm at 51%. That's how efficient of an airplane this thing is. 51%. Holy smokes, that's outstanding. You know, we might put this. I think we might put this in the air tractor, because I haven't flown the air tractor on 3 cells yet. So maybe we'll give it a shot. But anyway, folks, check this thing out. It's at Horizon. Check our links below if you guys get one through our links in the description. We do get a little commission for that. We appreciate that. Also, we do have other videos on this once again, folks. So upper right-hand corner of our screen, we did a full unbox, assembly, setup. We flew it on floats, flew it on grass. So check out those videos in the upper right-hand corner. They're really nice. Me and Steve put a lot of time into getting those things out. Otherwise, guys, you know, like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell, lower right-hand corner there. And once again, we are on Instagram and Twitter, and we're posting stuff on Instagram like every day. So check it out. We're trying to put as much cool stuff as we can on there. So anyway, Steve, thanks for filming. And as always, guys, we'll see you next time.